So we're just in the sergeant's shop here, and you might be wondering, why do I have a Winnebago behind me? Well, we've had someone ask us, now that we're in flat roofing, if we could do the flat roof on their RV. For those of you who don't know, we have an influencer that we helped out with their solar roof, and he's an RV guy, big into the van life thing, and so we're starting to get some recognition out there for our support of the van life. And this came up and asked if we could coat this roof to fix it. And I mean, it's pretty simple for us, right? I mean, this isn't a $10 million high rise, this is an RV roof. And so what we're working on right now is how we're actually gonna get a bunch of these pieces taken care of so that we can actually recoat and re-waterproof this roof. Because if you have an RV, you wanna get this done before the winter time, because that there is gonna cause damage. Now this one's a little far gone, so they're actually gonna be refinishing this over winter, but you don't wanna refinish the inside and the outside without taking care of the roof first, because we all know it's the same thing as a house. If you don't take care of the roof, all the other renovations don't matter. So I'm really excited to share this project with you guys. I'm really excited to do more of these. So if you have an RV and you're looking to get it waterproof before winter, give us a shout. We got a huge heated shop that we can work out of, so you know it's gonna work. And well, we're used to handling projects way more complicated than this. So this is a great little way for us to keep our guys busy in the winter, to make sure we're creating good employment for good, hardworking people, and at the same time, take care of our customers' RV needs. So give us a shout and we'll take care of you.